Hello, I'm Claudia Orengo. I'm a graphic designer and watercolor artist from Barcelona. And in this video, I want to explain you what is passive income and why is the best digital business model. So, passive income is a way to earn money without doing any extra work when you do a sale. I've been thinking how we can define it as creatives, and I came up with a list of things that have to be accomplished in order to have the perfect passive income. So you need to be selling something, of course, that's the first point. Then secondly, it must be digital. The third point is that it needs to be automated so that you don't do any extra work when it's sold. And finally, in most cases, there will be a fourth factor, which is that it can bring repetitive sales, ideally infinite sales. Now, this was my definition, but let's see some examples together. Imagine you are doing handmade products and you are selling them on Etsy. This is something many people does, and it can be confused with passive income, but now we will see why it's not. So factor one is accomplished, you are selling something, yes. But then number two usually is not accomplished because you are selling a physical item. If you are doing handmade clothes, or you are doing soaps, or you are working with wood signs, all these are physical items, not digital, which leads to number 3 and 4 not being accomplished because you need to pack it, you need to ship it, you need to repeat it every time you do a sale. So let's see another example. Imagine you are a creative, you are an artist, and you say, okay, I'm not gonna sell my original work because I understand I can only do a sale and I have to ship it, but I'm gonna do prints and I can repeat it as many times as I want. Or I'm a designer and I want to do logos that I don't have to create a new logo for each client. I'm gonna create like a template, and every time a client wants the logo with that one, I'm just gonna change the name and ship the file to them. So let's analyze these examples. Again, you are selling something, so that's perfect. And it could be that your product is a digital file, like the logo example. But since it will end up being a print in the case of the artist, or it requires some customization like the logo example, then it again makes you work extra after each sale and you're not accomplishing the third point. So, what happens if you take that design or that painting and you convert it into a template or a printable file? Then yes, you are selling something again, which is digital, and you can automate your shop so that every time someone purchases that item, it automatically receives the link to download, which means that you are not doing any extra work after each sale, and they can be repeated infinitely. They will change the logo on their computer or they will print it on their home, but you will not do anything else. And that's the magic of digital passive income. Almost every morning I wake up with at least one email notifying me that I did a sale, and I don't need to do anything. I just have the money and the person who bought it has already the file. To me, this is amazing. And there are lots of products you can do with this system. For example, I sell my watercolor paintings as clip arts, but I also sell patterns, designs that can be printed into physical products, and in this case, since I don't create the products because I'm working with another company, this is passive income for me. The company just gets the sale, prints the product or produces the product they are selling and ships it. So I just receive an email saying someone purchased this and we're gonna pay you this amount of money. So this is passive income too. Then I also sell hand-lettered quotes as SVG for cutting machines. I sell fonts, I sell online courses, and I'm sure I'm forgetting something right now, but you get the idea. So why is that the best thing I've done so far for my business? Well, it's great because it keeps bringing sales without me even promoting the products, because it literally has saved me the months that I did not have enough one-to-one bookings for clients, because it helps me stay creative, but only when I want. I don't need to commit to a client to create something, and I can earn money while I'm traveling, while I'm sleeping, etc. So I don't ever get burnt out, I don't get bored of repeating over and over the same products, and I don't even need to worry about getting paid because everything is automated. So there are no more running after clients for overdue invoices, no more payment plans. I really love this system and I encourage every creative to at least try it because it's life-changing. Now, to start selling these products isn't difficult at all. It just requires your time up front. Some things will be faster to create than others, but once you have the product created, you simply upload it for sale and there is literally nothing else you need to do. Since I know it's something tempting, but it can sound scary or you may have lots of questions on how to actually implement the system, I'm planning to create a training with a step-by-step guide to start selling your art and designs as digital products. It will show you the backend of my shops, I will share exactly how many sales I do and how much I earn, and I will be totally transparent with you, recommending what works for me and what doesn't. Keep in mind that I'm not a guru. I'm not selling you the typical 6-figure business model that it will make you rich overnight, but it ends up being a bluff. I'm not rich at all, but I'm making money with this system. And it's so easy to me that I know you can do it too and probably even earn more than I'm doing. So if you are interested in starting your passive income business and want me to guide you, don't hesitate to join the training. It's short but detailed with everything I've learned so that you can go straight to the point and not lose time of trial and error. You'll have the link at the description. And meanwhile, you can also download my free list of ideas for passive income products. I bet there will be many that you haven't thought of because I've been brainstorming in many industries. So you will have the link down too. And let me know if you like this video by giving a thumbs up on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more free videos, and leave me a comment below if you are motivated to start earning money from your creations, or even if you decide to open a shop, don't be shy and share the link with us so we can all see others' work. So I'll see you next time.